Lake Bottom.
Hey, I'm McGee.
Swimming.
I really should have thought this through.
Wildlife. And the counselors are a scream. Camp Lake Bottom. Brand new this morning at 10/9 Central on Disney XD.
Chirp.
You are off your game today, Ninja.
Shaolin Chronicles! Water! Fire! Wind! Earth!
Seriously? That's how I was born? Calling you Papa hardly seems appropriate. Huh?
You are my promise, my hope, my future. We shall rule side by side. What's our plan now, you ask?
Shoku Neptune! Water! Hacha! Shoku Mars! Fire!
Shoku Jupiter Earth!
Shoku Astro. Wind.
Shoku Star Formation!
Yes, Shaolin Wooden Apprentice!
Dude, you're human, not wooden.
That's all right, Ping Pong. You're one cool cat.
I reckon we should add a twist to your wood element.
Splendid idea, Clay. How about wooden woodpecker picking wood? Ooh, Ping Pong likes wooden woodpecker picking wood. Most magnifique. Wooden woodpecker picking wood.
Oh, 1,500-year magical dragon destroyed by a simpleton woodpecker.
Pardon this new woodpecker, Dojo. I am still in training. Let me lick your wound.
Totally unnecessary. The only person... Never mind. Those good old times are long gone. Just like
the world we're living in now. Look at this mess.
How can we make the world better? It seems Chase has us spinning our tail.
Chasing our tail.
This is all world destruction. Although I enjoy it, it's far too slow. This tiny crustacean is the tiger shrimp, the long-lost mystical creature. It took me a long time to cultivate its powers. The tiger shrimp holds the key to unlock the missing link in the ecological chain. Used properly, it can create domino effects of cataclysmic proportions in the natural order. This is just a little appetizer before the main course. Tiger shrimp.
right back to Shaolin Chronicles on Disney XD.
Jack, is it true that you and Wuya are still not face-look official?
Well, I don't think the FO status truly reflects how I feel about Wuya and our relationship.
See? He's always dodging, uncommitted. What are you truly afraid of, Jack?
Personal space, please?
Fascinating. Let me try.
Your power will come one day. For now, a little taste of evil. Tiger shrimp.
Gesundheit.
It's so much fun. How can I be more powerful like you?
It's such a wondrous sight. Your ambition. Together, we'll bring the destruction of humanity to a much deeper level.
You're so magnificent. You give me goosebumps.
You are quite the romantic, Shadow. I think that's what I enjoy the most about you.
I remind you of you.
Soon we'll reign side by side.
Soon isn't soon enough.
Patience is a virtue, my grasshopper.
Call me Phoenix.
Very well. My Phoenix.
How can this puny little thingamajig have so much power?
It can literally change the order of the world in a way no humans can fathom. In the wrong hands, my hands. Who knows what destruction may rain down upon the world?
The final step to Halen domination.
Ah, Shadow. I must say you're a pure delight.
Feed me! Feed me now!
Remember, name all the ingredients in one bite. No cheating.
Yum! Chicken, chicken, and chicken.
Well, making everything taste like a chicken is one of my specialties. Merci beaucoup. Eat more, my little skinny evil boss. Eat, eat, eat. You are what you eat.
Yummy in my tummy. I love you, Mercy Guy.
Merci me, little evil boss. You have finally acquired the taste of liver.
I'm allergic to liver.
Oh, I have a remedy. You must eat all the peas and the carrots.
Only if they don't touch each other. No contact sport for the vegetables. F-Bot, what's the one dish you wish you could cook?
The one dish. My rarest mystical recipe. Tiger shrimp au bressan. Oh la la. Mwah! Legend has it that he who eats a tiger shrimp would control the world in a single bite.
It's destiny that you are my chef. I've invented a tracking device to keep tabs on such mystical creatures.
Oh la la.
All I have to do is pousser le bouton, and Spybot will scan the crustacean species for tiger shrimp. The GPS will take me straight to it.
With the tiger shrimp, the control of the world is at my fingertips. Never thought much of cows. Tiger shrimp. Now the world smells a little better. With every change, there's a domino effect that races up the food chain.
You look yummy when you're maniacal. Goosebumps.
That giant frog was super weird. Was it just me or you all saw it?
Look, flying frogs! Oh. And barking bunnies!
What is this, a freak show?
I reckon global warming is junk science, counteracting a true new mini ice age.
I am most befuddled.
It looks like someone's playing a practical joke on nature.
The only person who could achieve something of this magnitude is the mighty Chase Young. But how? Why?
We'll be right back to Shaolin Chronicles on Disney XD.
Look what the cat dragged in.
Hey, you're messing up my collar.
Merci, merci. I surrender unconditionally.
You pitiful excuse for evil. What are you doing spying on me?
I wasn't spying. Not exactly. I just wanted to drop off my application to join your evil club.
Maybe this worm's appearance is perfect timing.
Huh? I was thinking the same thing.
It's feeding time for the cats.
No, please! I come bearing gifts! This is F-Bot, my 3-star French chef.
I have no need for one of your tin cans.
He's more than a tin can. F-Bot, say something in French.
Bonjour, mademoiselle.
He sounds insanely yummy. Why not? Girly boy amuses me. Let's see what French he can do.
Oh la la!
So, you like?
Spicy buffalo bet wings, cricket curry, red ratatouille, beer bourguignon. What's not to like?
I'm quite impressed by your wild culinary skills.
I know! Yummy tummy, right? Do you think I could join you guys now?
I was leaning yes, until you used yummy tummy.
Oh, sorry. Look, I'm a good supervisor when it comes to cleaning and cooking. I make a good, manservant.
Yes, you do grovel well.
Some says that's my forte. Take me, please! I never realized it before, but you have such baby smooth skin. What night cream do you use?
Creepy.
Maybe girly boy here can help pick up the cat litters. It kind of stinks in here.
No problemo.
I suppose he can stay for now, as long as he doesn't get in the way.
I thought you guys were like... That's hissing! Whoa, that's some weird stuff. Never mind, I've done much weirder stuff myself.
Master Chase, test le soup, oui, oui?
Is this my Lao Mang Lone Dragon soup? What did you put in it?
I love it.
You!
Huh?
Go clean up after the cats.
Hi, kitties. Nice kitties. I'm so done with this non-stop cleaning. I'm starved. That shrimp sure looks yummy. Tiger shrimp sashimi. It's so fresh, there's no need for soy sauce.
Jacques boy, what have you done? Uh-oh!
Tarnation has just happened. It appears I've underestimated Girly Boy's predisposition towards stupidity.
What now?
I'm afraid we're in uncharted territory. When I find that worm Spicer, I will have my cats rip him to pieces. On the other hand, I just may shred him to tiny pieces myself.
You've got to help me!
Oh, for a screw-up, you've really outdone yourself this time.
I just wanted to taste the shrimp. It looks so yummy tummy.
One more yummy tummy, and I'll whack you in the tummy.
Wuya, what's with the giant wave of negative energy?
Stop whining and man up!
How can I? I don't even know how this dress happened.
We have to find Spicer before sundown, or the world will be stuck in this barren mode forever.
Looks like I got a Category 5 SGW alert. All my hemorrhoids are acting up. It's the Tahoe Snout Shengon Wu. The Tahoe Snout Wu gives the user amazing sniffing power. Watch out. It'll turn one into a human bloodhound.
This may be our lucky break. Spicer would never turn down a chance to score a Wu.
I don't see Jack anywhere.
Yeah, but there's still plenty of evil to go around. Ah, it's my Shaolin warriors. I was hoping to find Spicer and destroy him.
Ha! For once we have a common enemy. Why are you looking for Jack Spicer?
He stole something of value from me.
Let me guess. He ate your tiger shrimp.
I heard this doohickey Shengon Wu will help track him down. How about a friendly showdown? I reckon there's no harm in joining forces in this cattle drive.
Begging for a girl fight? I challenge you to a Shaolin showdown. I wager my Medusa Shengon Wu. You'll witness the true power of my Blue Moon Blade. The game is Mangrove Showdown. The first to grab the Tahoe Snout Shengon Wu wins. Let's go Shaolin Showdown! Gong Yi Tumpai!
We'll be right back to Shaolin Chronicles on Disney. Back to Shaolin Chronicles on Disney XD.
My little feisty friend. You might as well call it quits. Why? Are you too scared to fight? Blind ambition kind of makes me hot and bothered. Seriously, think you can bring me down with girly hair play? Works for me. Medusa call. You put up a good circus act, little princess. I don't get it. You won fair and square. You lead the way. We'll follow.
Hey, psst. Halen cannot access the power of this Shengon Wu. They need us. Chase Young, our Shengon Wu will lead us to Jack. We'll find him. You may go now.
True, you will find Jack. But with this, you'll find him much faster.
Ew!
That'll give the Tahoe Snout a run for its money. Go Bloodhound!
I'd say it's a win-win.
Chase Young, we have a deal. Let us hold hands in fighting Jack.
Join hands?
Excellent. One day we may have an alliance that's more permanent.
No! Never!
So, where do we start looking?
Ew. I don't even want to know how you got it.
I am a professional sniffer. I will sniff him out. Tahoe Snout!
Note to Omi. Maybe he should not take such a big whiff at first.
I think that's the bravest thing I ever saw.
Strange. The trail stops here.
Please, don't come near me, or I'll jump!
Relax, Spicer. You may actually help us fix things.
Really? How?
The important question is, when is the last time you flossed?
Never?
Fantastique! Your bad hygiene may just help us save the world. Come down now, s'il vous plaît.
Ha ha! See, Mom? You were wrong! Wait. I'll let you do things to me only if you agree to give me F-Bot back.
Such an elaborate gizmo. Will this work?
Got a better idea?
Well, if it doesn't, make it hurt really bad.
The DNA revival will restore the ecosystem, starting with everything that Jack Spicer has eaten.
Oh, Mommy! This is worse than going to the dentist!
Ooh!
Now what?
Now, we let nature take its course. It's good to work with you, Omi.
And once again, we are enemies.
For now, little one. But who knows what the future may bring.
What about me? What's gonna happen to me?